fix Roblox error. This experience is unavailable due to your account settings. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error on Roblox, which prevents access to certain Roblox experiences and may result in the absence of the play button. Rectifying this error is straightforward with a few steps. Begin by ensuring the Roblox application is closed on your computer. Next, navigate to roblox.com and log into your account. Once logged in, proceed to the top right corner of the screen and click on gear icon, followed by selecting Settings. Within the Settings menu, locate the Privacy tab on the left sidebar. Here, look for Account Restrictions. If you find that account restrictions are enabled, disabling them is your first step, as this is likely the primary cause of being unable to access certain experiences. Should the problem persist after disabling account restrictions, return to the left sidebar and select Parental Controls. Scroll down to Allowed Experiences and ensure it is set to allow experiences suitable for ages 13 and above. It's noteworthy that even without a PIN setup, activating a PIN and then setting allowed experiences to 13 may be necessary for resolving the issue. If these adjustments do not remedy the situation, I recommend logging out of your Roblox account, rebooting your computer, and then logging back in. Following these steps, as demonstrated, allowed me to access free voice chat and other previously inaccessible experiences by adjusting my account settings accordingly.